Welcome back, everybody. It's Quick Eats will be Reliable. Today, we're going to be making some chicken and vegetable stir fry. Okay, got yourself some chicken broth, cornstarch, soy sauce, honey, salt and pepper. We got some red pepper flakes, some toasted sesame oil, and got those vegetables right here. I just put them in this bowl here. Got some mushrooms, some peppers and onions. This is all at the bottom. You'll see it later. Okay. And we got some chopped up chicken. Okay, so don't worry about the ingredients. I'll have them down in the description box below. So first, just go ahead, just get our stir fry sauce going. Okay, all right, so just go ahead, just get our sauce going. All right, so we're gonna start off with our chicken broth. Okay, next we'll add our soy sauce. All right. Let's go with our toasted sesame oil. Okay, not that much. All right, don't want to use too much of that oil. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go with our red pepper flakes. Okay, so we're using that honey. That's why I thought, it's a good idea. We're gonna use that those red pepper flakes because we're gonna use some honey here. Okay. All right, so the ingredients, like I said, will be down in the description box below. All right, so let's go ahead, let's add this cornstarch, try to help thicken it up. Okay, got as much as we can in here. So we're just gonna mix this up like so. Yeah, that honey, that cornstarch, it'll help it thicken it up. Okay, stir fry sauce is gonna be really, really good. So our next step is going to be, we're going to go ahead and we're going to soften our vegetables. All right, guys, so I want you to slightly oil your pan and just go ahead, add our vegetables. Okay, so we're just going to cook these down just a couple of minutes till they soften up. Okay. We're gonna cook them down till they soften up, and then later we'll add some salt and pepper to them. We just want them to soften up right now. All right, all right, all right. So we got our vegetables softened right where we want them. This is exactly where we want them. Okay. So now we're gonna add some seasoning to it, some salt and pepper. Okay, salt and pepper, just a little bit more. All right, we're gonna turn down the temp. Okay, so we're just gonna let this cook off just a little bit more. Okay, and then next we can start cooking our chicken. All right. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put our chicken in. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead, and cook our chicken down, and then we'll add our seasonings and add our minced garlic. All right. So our chicken is just about done. So what we're gonna add some seasonings, some more salt and pepper. Just simple ingredients here. Just a little salt and pepper, simple ingredients. Okay. Then we're gonna add some minced garlic. Okay. So we're just gonna let that minced garlic cook down just a little bit before we go back and we add our vegetables. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and let this minced garlic cook down just a little bit. Then we add our vegetables and then our stir fry sauce. Okay, so we got our chicken and our minced garlic cooked down. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bring back our vegetables. Okay, brought back our vegetables. Okay, just mix that around a little bit till we add our stir fry sauce. Oh, this is gonna be real good. Very simple very simple recipe. Then we got our stir fry sauce. Okay, all right, so we're just gonna cook this down a little bit. All right, all right, all right. So we got our chicken vegetable stir fry. All right, take a good look at that. Take a good look at that. Chicken and vegetable stir fry, okay? So this is gonna be real good. Like I said earlier, we got the ingredients down in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always remember, if it don't look good, I ain't eating it.